Come test drive the 2020 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, heated steering wheel, heated front seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.